Hey, good evening, Pathfinder Nation. Welcome to the 24-25 Pathfinder Open House. I'm glad if you're watching this, I'm glad you've been able to log on and be a part of this evening with us. We wanted to start with me to share some important tips for this open house and how you can really get through it seamlessly and have a successful evening and really, of course, be able to contact and get to know a lot of your teachers and other things about our school. So if you're on here, you're just getting started. This event tonight will last from 6 to 7:15. You're going to finish up with my video here, and then you will be able to then walk through your student's schedule, which will be outlined here on the landing page, and it'll show you the times in each period that you'll be visiting teachers. They'll have specific links that you can hit to get to their sites where they will be live and be able to answer questions, but also talk about their class. Talk about how the class is going to be graded, how students are expected in terms of attendance and engagement to be participating each week, all of those things within each class that they can talk about. So really make sure you hit on that schedule and make sure you get to every one of the teachers. We're also going to have facility tours that are going to take place that are taped that I encourage you to watch because you'll be able to see the exact work locations in which your teachers work every day and where they kind of report every day and where all of the good instruction takes place. Also at the end, we really would appreciate it if you would fill out an attendance form for us that kind of documents, number one, that you were here at open house, but number two, gives you the opportunity to provide us with some feedback on how we can continue to improve each and every day. And one thing for open house that's always important, number one, get to know the teachers. Get to know exactly what their expectations are for each class, but then also you have the opportunity to ask clarifying questions. You have the opportunity to ask where additional support can take place, and all of those things are important. So in addition to the teachers being available, our administration is also available. They're best to probably be contacted through email. We'll go ahead and put my email address up here on the screen. So you can see it, and you're welcome to go to that at the end of the night if you want to give me any specific feedback from open house. But we really hope and we really wanted to, the purpose here is to give you the opportunity to connect live with the teachers. They didn't create videos. They're actually present in their meet sites to talk with everyone. And also for you to be able to see and get to be familiar with the actual locations of Pathfinder, which isn't just one. There's several different places where our school works out of, and so we want everybody to be aware of that and be able to get a little more familiar with that. So the last piece of it, again, is be able to ask the questions and get the support you need as we're kind of moving through here. Again, I'm so excited that you're here. I'm excited that you're a part of our open house. Again, this being virtual, we are a virtual school, so we wanted to make this as interactive as possible. And we want to give you the opportunity to reach out if you need anything extra. So again, have a great evening tonight. I hope you enjoy getting to meet your teachers. I hope you get to enjoy seeing the facilities. And no, do not hesitate to let me know if you need anything at all. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.